gonna go.
We feel that vibe all night. I'm just gonna let this one ride. You know what I mean?
Luke, how is it up there? It's not looking good, man. Steve, mate, can you get a bit?
Yo.
Here he is. Steve, give us a wave. Thank you. Here he comes, the final stretch. Hey. Gone. He's got it. Leave that footage. What has he done? Absolute shambles. He's calling 4K. Bad boy.
Oh, cheers, Nick.
Cheers, champ. Thanks, mate.
Oh, thank you very much. Oh, I'm sweaty as hell. Me.
Did you?
Yeah. It's the long hair gives me a speed boost.
I was charging in the first race.
Oh god, you were smashing that qualifying. I was like, I can't even get close.
No, did you see that one?
Well done.
Who won?
Who do you think?
Well done.
That was good.
He gone, I just held everyone else.
Good. Hot.
Okay, guys, let's go to the podium.
I love the champagne.
Hey, Stuart. Nate.
Hey. Well done, Nate.
Look at that. Please, card number 12.
Hey, well done, James.
In first place, card number 20.
Yay. Thank you very much.
It's yours. Spray it.
Since we're losing a lot today.
Winning. Go for it.
On time.
The trim's outrageous. Yeah. Come on now.